control cars into a cup tower.
So we're gonna drive the cars into that tower over there.
Yeah.
All right? That ginormous tower.
Okay.
Like it's taller than me, this thing. Wow. Like look at that.
Let's get to it. Yay! Yay!
Okay, let's go. Let's see who can knock the tower down first.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, wait, the tower's already knocked down. Who knocked the tower down already? It was already knocked down. What happened?
Like who knocked down the tower? Like we were like trying to do it, but who knocked it down?
That's weird. Who knocked it down?
Are you serious?
Oh man, it was already knocked down when you came here. What happened? Who could it be?
Let's find out.
Oh, wait.
That chicken. Look at that chicken.
Which, here?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, where did this chicken come from? What? That's weird.
I don't know where that chicken came
That's
from.
really strange.
Maybe it came from before.
So where do these chickens come from, you think?
I don't know. Hey.
What? What? What was that? Where are they coming from?
Where do these chickens come from?
Where are they coming from?
Where are these chickens coming from?
I don't know. That's really weird. We're getting infestation. It's an invasion of chickens. Wait. Let's go find out where they're coming from.
Yeah.
So I think they're coming from the garage. What do you think? Let's go check.
Let's go and check.
How could this be?
Oh, wait, what?
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, they must be coming from the garage because the door's open.
that seemed unlocked.
It's unlocked? Oh man. Okay, that's crazy. Yeah, throw that chicken back in the garage. Okay. Let's go get the chickens, put them back in the garage so we can... These crazy chickens. Yeah, okay, close the door now. Let's lock it. So the chickens don't... Okay. Quick. Okay.
Now we can do a race.
Yeah, now we can do our cars into the tower cup, right? Tower of cups. Man. Okay, let's start rebuilding our tower, right? So we can do what we want to do.
20 hours later.
We're done now.
Yeah, here we go. That took a while. All right. Gentlemen, start your cars. So now that the chickens are back in the garage, where they belong. Okay, quick, before the chickens come back.
1, go!
Oh, oh you guys messed it up. Was that a tie? Okay. That was a tie. Good job, boys. Look at that. Woo-wee. Was that worth it? Where's the other car? Yay! You finally destroyed the tower.
The chickens are so annoying.
Those chickens like totally ruined our plans, eh? And made our work so much harder. We had to rebuild the whole tower and everything. Big crash. Look at this car. Look, it's stuck inside the cup.
Wait.
Whoa!
This car's stuck inside the cup too!
How did these cars get stuck in the cup?
The cup matches the color. The cup matches the color.
Yeah. Wow.
Thanks for watching our crash into the